हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, सभी को नमस्कार, सभी को स्वागत है एक्सेल इन करंट अफेयर्स वीकली स्कोर बूस्टर सेशन में। सो टुडे वी विल कवर द सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ अगस्त. सो एज यू ऑल नो, every Sunday 7 p.m. we have this session on weekly current affairs. So please do read the daily current affairs from our app. The app is available on Google Play Store. Just search Exigence Educator, you will find our app. So from there you need to read the daily current affairs. वहाँ से daily current affairs आप पढ़िए, उसके बाद ये session attend कीजिए, right? And after the weekly current affairs classes are over, please do attempt the free quiz. हमारे ऐप में आपको फ्री क्विज मिलेगा जनरल अवेयरनेस सेक्शन में. सो चलिए एक बार देख लेते हैं ऐप में क्या क्या फीचर्स आपको मिल सकता है. So just download the app from Google Play Store. So this is the home page. You can see here you will find the daily current affairs section. Okay, you can read daily current affairs from there. You can attempt the free monthly current affairs quiz. It is free for all. 200 MCQs monthly current affairs quiz, free for all, right? You can also purchase the combined mocks for only rupees 269, and very soon CET mocks will also be launched. Mocks for CET exam will also be launched. So price is very nominal, 269 for 1 year. You can easily calculate, right, how nominal it is, right? So you can just purchase it. You will get access to all exams, bank, SSC, railways, anything, right? And also in the app you will find discussion forum. You can post your doubts there. We will resolve your queries, right? So let us start the session without further ado. So before we start the session, I want to share these 3 questions with you. These will be the homework, right? So comment section में मुझे इन तीनों का आंसर चाहिए. After this class is over, क्लास खत्म होने के बाद कमेंट सेक्शन में इन तीनों का आंसर मुझे चाहिए, राइट? इंटरनेशनल लेफ्ट हैंडर्स डे हम कब ऑब्जर्व करते हैं? वर्ल्ड ऑर्गन डोनेशन डे इज ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन व्हिच डेट? Who has inaugurated the Bangas Awam Mela at Bangas Awam Mela at Jammu and Kashmir? So Bangas Awam Mela कहाँ पे inaugurate किया गया है? At Jammu and Kashmir. Who has inaugurated it? That will be your answer. Next, organ donation day, world organ donation day कब ऑब्जर्व करते हैं हम लोग? ये भी मुझे चाहिए आंसर. इंटरनेशनल लेफ्ट हैंडर्स डे हम कब ऑब्जर्व करते हैं? इन तीनों का आंसर, तीनों का आंसर मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में दिखना चाहिए, ठीक है? सभी का आंसर. चलिए, which has become the first state in the country to issue order with regard to implementation of the national education policy? Basically, which state is going to implement NEP 2020? So it is the first state. Okay, very very important. I am giving 3 stars. ठीक है, पहला राज्य है. Yes, answer is Karnataka. So Karnataka becomes the first state to issue order for NEP implementation applicable from 2021-22. Very very important. Okay, so this is the first state to issue the order so as to implement it. Recently, who has launched the book The Year That Wasn't, the Diary of a 14-year-old? So who has written this book? ये भी पूछ सकता है आपको. कोलकाता गर्ल ब्रिशा जैन, right? And ये recently news में था. So who has launched it? Yes, answer will be Shabana Azmi. As you can see, Shabana Azmi has launched Brisha Jain's book, right? So in this book she mentions about the new normal, right? Okay, that is online classes, right? The race for taking vaccine, okay, competition for universal vaccination, right? So these are the things mentioned in this book. Okay, who has become the first ambassador of home interiors brand Homelane? So home interiors brand Homelane, इसका फर्स्ट ब्रांड एम्बेसडर किसको अपॉइंट किया गया है? So do tell your answer with me, guys. Yes, my answer will be MS Dhoni. Also we will be knowing that MS Dhoni has tied up with rather MS Dhoni has also become the ambassador of An Academy, isn't it? It was recently in the news. So MS Dhoni becomes the first brand ambassador and equity partner of Homelane. Very very important. Also the equity partner. Okay, which ministry has recently launched PM Daksh portal and mobile app? So which ministry is it? PM Daksh portal and mobile app has been launched by which ministry? So yes, my answer will be Ministry of Social Justice. Now have a look here. The Union Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment, Dr. Virendra Kumar, has unveiled a portal and mobile application named PM Daksh, which aims to make the skill development schemes accessible to the target groups. The PM Daksh stands for Pradhan Mantri Dakshata or Kushalta Sampan Hitgrahi. So this is the full form of PM Daksh Yojana. Now how to remember this portal? pmdaksh.dosje, that is Department of Social Justice and Empowerment .gov.in. So very easy to remember, right? Okay. International Day of Indigenous People is observed on which date? And also please note that next week I won't be available for taking the classes because I will be out of station. So एक class आपका miss होगा, and if possible Raja sir will take your class, okay? And go and watch the DI and reasoning classes. DI as well as reasoning classes have started for mains, ठीक है? Do not miss those classes. So International Day of Indigenous People is observed on 9th August, ठीक है? Leaving no one behind, indigenous peoples and the call for a social contract. Okay, here peoples actually stand for the people of various countries of all nations, that is why it is mentioned peoples. Okay, right. So it is not grammatically incorrect, you must know, this is an exception. Which edition of Quit India movement was celebrated on 8th August? So as you all know, 8th August 1942. So it is also known as, it is also known as the August movement, 8th August 1942, Quit India movement. So it is the 79th edition. Have a look. Exhibition to mark the 79th anniversary of Quit India movement inaugurated as part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav celebration. So G. Kishan Reddy has launched it. Next, the navies of India and which country have conducted bilateral exercise Zayed Talwar? So Zayed Talwar is a bilateral exercise between the navies of which two countries? एक तो है इंडिया, हमारा भारत देश, और एक कौन सा है? Yes, answer will be UAE. Indian Navy undertakes naval exercise with UAE of Abu Dhabi coast. Very very important. Okay, right. And next one, which small finance bank has launched a Suryodaya health and wellness savings account? ये बहुत आसान है, okay, because the name is already mentioned here, to help customers grow their wealth and also take care of their family's health amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Answer will be Suryodaya Small Finance Bank. So the answer is already hidden in the question, isn't it? So it is quite easy to remember and quite easy to answer. So yes, my answer will be Suryodaya Small Finance Bank. It has launched health and wellness account. Next, which city has become in the country's or India's first Water Plus certified city under Swachh Survekshan 2021? Water Plus certified city, and I am giving a hint, it is the cleanest city. Cleanest city. So this is a hint from my end. Yes, answer will be Indore. Indore, India's cleanest city, Indore in Madhya Pradesh, has achieved another feat of being declared as the country's first Water Plus certified city under Swachh Survekshan 2021. Swachh Survekshan is an annual survey of cleanliness, hygiene and sanitation in cities and towns across India, launched as part of Swachh Bharat mission. Eurosport India has appointed whom? The Indian brand ambassador for their flagship motorsport property MotoGP. Very very important. Okay, you must have seen the picture in the news recently. So yes, my answer will be John Abraham. You can see ambassador of MotoGP. And one more thing guys, ये जो क्लास है इसका जो PDF है, क्लास का PDF टेलीग्राम चैनल पे मिल जाएगा. सो कमेंट पे एक बार देख लीजिएगा, द कमेंट विल बी पिन्ड, एंड ऑल्सो इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स टेलीग्राम चैनल का लिंक आपको मिल जाएगा. ठीक है, डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में टेलीग्राम चैनल का और टेलीग्राम ग्रुप का लिंक आपको मिल जाएगा. सो डोंट वरी, क्लास का PDF आपको टेलीग्राम पे मिल जाएगा. नोट में मैंने क्या ऐड किया है, लिस्ट ऑफ ब्रांड एम्बेसडर्स, रिसेंटली अपॉइंटेड ब्रांड एम्बेसडर है ये. वीवो का रिसेंट ब्रांड एम्बेसडर विराट कोहली, एलिस्टा सुरेश रैना, टेक्नो आयुष्मान खुराना, प्यूमा वाशिंगटन सुंदर एंड देवदत्त पडिक्कल. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बायोटेक्नोलॉजी कंपनी इज माई लैब, इट्स ब्रांड एम्बेसडर इज अक्षय कुमार. प्यूमा मोटरस्पोर्ट युवराज सिंह. वन प्लस जसप्रीत बुमराह. वन प्लस wearables. Next one, who has authored the book How the Earth Got Its Beauty? Very very important book, I am telling you guys, very very important. ये किसी भी एग्जाम में पूछ सकता है. CGL, MTS, बैंक मेंस, SBI क्लार्क मेंस, IPS क्लार्क मेंस, एनी एग्जाम. सो आंसर इज सुधा मूर्ति. हैव ए लुक हियर. How the Earth Got Its Beauty. Okay, authored by Sudha Murthy. The book was published by Penguin Random House. Okay, illustrations by Priyanka Pachpande. Next one, who has authored the book The Earth Spinner? Again another important book, The Earth Spinner. And for CGL please go through 6 to 7 months current affairs. ठीक है, and those students who are from West Bengal, especially students from West Bengal, just search Bengal Education Society. You will get various classes on various topics. Okay, classes on various topics on that channel, right? उसका लिंक भी आपको कमेंट डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में और कमेंट सेक्शन में मिल जाएगा, ठीक है. So yes, answer is Anuradha Roy, right? The Earth Spinner, who has recently launched e-Nagar mobile application and portal. e-Nagar mobile application and portal has been recently launched by whom? Who has launched it? Tell me. Yes, answer will be Vijay Rupani. Vijay Rupani, or you can also say Gujarat has launched. So questions किसी भी तरह का आ सकता है. Gujarat state has launched or Vijay Rupani has launched it. e-Nagar mobile application as well as portal, web portal. Which day has been fixed by the Athletics Federation of India to be named Javelin Throw Day to honor नीरज चोपड़ा. नीरज चोपड़ा के लिए उन्होंने एथलेटिक्स फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडिया ने क्या किया है, जैवलिन थ्रो डे मार्क किया है. किस डे को? यस, आंसर विल बी 7th of August. AFI to celebrate 7th August as नीरज ओलंपिक गोल्ड विनिंग डे एज नेशनल जैवलिन डे. सो अभी कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझे एक आंसर चाहिए. इंडिया का रैंक क्या है? रैंक ऑफ इंडिया इन द टोक्यो ओलंपिक्स, और टोटल कितना मेडल इंडिया को मिला है? यस, medals I am telling you, total 7 medals, 1 plus 2 plus 4, 1 gold, 2 silver, 4 bronze, GSB ऐसे याद रखिए, GSB 1 plus 2 plus 4 means 1 into 2 2, 2 into 2 4. okay, एक का डबल 2, 2 का डबल 4, so 1 plus 2 plus 4, total medals of India 7. ठीक है, 1 gold, 1 silver, sorry 2 silver and 4 bronze. Very important. So rank of India and the top 3 countries I want to see in the comment section. Top 3 countries, okay, in the Tokyo Olympics, right? Also let me know US को कितना गोल्ड मेडल. ठीक है, ये मैं बता देता हूँ. US को टोटल 39 गोल्ड मेडल्स मिला है. ठीक है, and total number of medals is 113. USA has got 39 gold medals and China has got 38 gold medals. ठीक है, very important. Next one, when is World Lion Day observed? When is World Lion Day observed? When is World Lion Day observed? ये बहुत आसान क्वेश्चन है, very easy. It won't take much time, I hope. Yes, answer will be 10th of August is World Lion Day. You can see here. You can see here the majestic lion sitting and staring at you, isn't it? So yes, 10th August is World Lion Day. Next, World Biofuel Day. World Biofuel Day is observed on which date every year? On which date? Yes, time's up. Answer will be 10th of August. World Biofuel Day is observed every year on 10th August. Now, let us have a look at the theme. The promotion of biofuel for a better environment. So, ये है इस साल का theme. Just a second, let me highlight it for you. एक बार मैं highlight कर देता हूँ. The promotion of biofuels for a better environment. So, this is the theme for this year. ठीक है, चलो next one. Next, which state government has announced a new award named after the former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi for outstanding performance in IT sector? So yes, my answer will be Maharashtra. So Maharashtra government has recently declared an award named Rajiv Gandhi Award for IT, okay, for the IT sector. And also you must know that PM Modi has decided to rename Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award to Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. ठीक है, so there has been a change in name, right? Next, who has been roped in as the brand ambassador by the Reserve Bank of India for public awareness campaign to warn people against digital banking frauds, to warn people against digital banking frauds. So, yes, my answer will be Neeraj Chopra again. Yes, very, very important, right? What is the flat penalty in case of cash out at any ATM of more than 10 hours in a month? So, महीने में 10 घंटा का कैश आउट मीन्स आउट ऑफ कैश, अगर कोई भी एटीएम ऐसा होता है तो उसके ऊपर 10,000 का जो फ्लैट पेनल्टी है वो लागू होगा. सो RBI हैज़ मेंशनड इट, has announced the launch of scheme of penalty for non replenishment of ATMs, because we often see there is no cash at ATMs. So, this is quite pathetic, right. So, this was quite needed, and in my opinion the penalty should have been more, at least 50,000 penalty should have been given, right. So, because it is really pathetic to see people going to ATMs. I have seen many aged people, senior citizens going to the ATMs, and they have to return empty handed, okay, as per which it will impose monetary penalties on ATMs and white label ATMs that run out of cash. Very, very important. Next one, Dash has unveiled Digital Prayas, an app based digital lending platform to facilitate loans to entrepreneurs from low income groups. To entrepreneurs from low income groups. Yes, very important and very easy answer will be SIDBI, Small Industries Development Bank of India. ठीक है, SIDBI unveils डिजिटल प्रयास लेंडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म. सो इसी के साथ साथ मुझे SIDBI का हेडक्वार्टर्स मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बता दीजिए, व्हाट इज द हेडक्वार्टर्स ऑफ SIDBI. नेक्स्ट, UNICEF India and Dash have launched a 1-year joint initiative on ending violence against children with a special focus on online safety. So, they are mainly focusing on online safety so that children are not exposed to violence, okay, violence as well as not exposed to explicit materials. So, yes, this partnership will include a nationwide social media campaign and capacity building for 1 lakh school children on online safety, digital literacy and psychological support. UNICEF and Facebook India. Next one, which state has been conferred with 7 national awards on the first Van Dhan annual awards during the celebration of 34th Foundation Day of TriFed, that is Tribal Cooperative Marketing Development Federation of India Limited. So, क्या होगा मेरा आंसर? Yes, answer will be Nagaland, right. And what is the official state language of Nagaland? It is English. You must be knowing, you need to know, right. If you are going to appear for state civil service, state PSC, SSC CGL, SSC CHSL, SSC MTS, right. So, state language is English. Nagaland wins 7 national awards under Van Dhan Yojana scheme, right. Next, India will host the first internet governance forum in the country starting from October 20 this year. What is the theme of this year's meeting? So, इस साल इस मीटिंग का थीम क्या है? So, first internet governance forum. Yes, my answer will be inclusive internet for digital India. Inclusive internet for digital India is this year's theme. ठीक है. India is ranked dash on a new global youth development index 2020 measuring the condition of young people across 181 countries, released by Commonwealth Secretariat in London. So, it has been released by Commonwealth Secretariat in London. Okay. So, क्या होगा आंसर? Yes, answer will be 122, 122nd rank, right. So, World Elephant Day, we have covered World Lion Day. So, World Elephant Day is observed on which date? World Elephant Day is observed on which date? So, क्या होगा मेरा आंसर? Yes, my answer will be 12th of August is World Elephant Day. ठीक है, चलो next one. Recently, which bank has chosen Amazon Web Services as its preferred cloud provider? You all know that cloud is basically for the storage purpose, right? Cloud storage. So, which bank has recently chosen or tied up with AWS, Amazon Web Services? It is none other than RBL Bank, right? RBL Bank. Next, the theme of International Youth Day is transforming food systems, youth innovation for human and planetary health. So, you just have to say when is International Youth Day observed, very very important. I am again telling you, National Youth Day and International Youth Day both are important. Answer will be 12th August. International Youth Day is observed on 12th August annually to draw the attention of the governments and others towards youth issues worldwide. This day is celebrated to recognize the efforts put in by the youth for the betterment of society. The day aims to promote the ways to engage the youth and make them more actively involved in their communities through positive contribution. So, theme तो मैंने डिस्कस कर दिया है. In 1999, the General Assembly endorsed the recommendation made by the World Conference of Ministers responsible for youth that 12th August be declared International Youth Day. Next, the Minister of State for External Affairs Dr. Rajkumar Ranjan Singh led India's delegation to which edition of the ASEAN Regional Forum Foreign Ministers meeting that was held under the chairmanship of Brunei Darussalam. So, chairmanship था किस country का? Yes, it is Brunei Darussalam. Answer will be 28th edition of ASEAN Regional Forum for Foreign Ministers meeting, Regional Forum Foreign Ministers meeting. Next, which state government has renamed a landmark freedom movement event as Kakori Train Action while paying tributes to the revolutionaries who were hanged for robbing a train at Kakori? So, we all know the incident of Kakori conspiracy, the Kakori conspiracy case. So, it took place in the year 1925. Yes, it has been renamed Kakori Train Action. Okay. So, it is none other than UP state government. UP government has renamed Kakori Kand to Kakori Train Action. Okay. Next, recently who has formally inaugurated the Health Quest study, health quality upgradation enabled by space technology of ISRO, Health Quest, okay, QUEST, ठीक है, which will be undertaken by 20 private hospitals across India. So, it is none other than Dr. K. Sivan. The event was co-organized by Association of Healthcare Providers India and the Society for Emergency Medicine in India. Okay. The Quad country navies including okay, just a second. So, just delete it. The Quad country navies will be conducting the annual Malabar naval exercises, okay, from 21st August off the coast of Guam in Indo-Pacific. You just have to say which country is not among the Quad countries. So, I am giving you 40 seconds timer. Yes, time is almost up. Answer is Sri Lanka. So, in the Quad countries we have India, USA, Japan and Australia. Okay. So, these are the 4 countries: India, US, Japan and Australia. So, Sri Lanka is not a part of the Quad nations. Okay. Very very important. Next, Dash has built one of the world's highest mobile air traffic control towers at the advanced landing ground at Ladakh. So, which is it? IAF, ITBP, NCC or BSF? Very very important. Yes, my answer is IAF, Indian Air Force. IAF builds one of the world's highest mobile ATC towers in Ladakh. Next, India and which country are all set to conduct their first ever naval exercise Al Mohed Al Hindi 2021. Al Mohed Al Hindi 2021. So, very very important, first ever naval exercise. Yes, it is Saudi Arabia. Have a look, maiden Al Mohed Al Hindi exercise set to begin between Indian Navy and Saudi Arabia Navy. I have directly taken it from the Indian Navy website. ठीक है, you can see here, join Indian Navy. So, this is basically the Indian Navy website. I have taken it directly from there. Okay. Next, Cashify and guys, आपके लिए इतना मेहनत मैं कर रहा हूँ, सो थोड़ा सा मेहनत आप भी कीजिए, वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए. ओके, जस्ट लाइक चाइना हैज़ स्प्रेड कोरोना वायरस all across the world, please spread this particular video, okay, in every nook and corner of India, okay, so that everyone can be benefited from this free class. So, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए और वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. ठीक है, Cashify, a e-commerce marketplace, announced that it has appointed whom its first brand ambassador is. It is none other than Rajkumar Rao, right? Rajkumar Rao. So the same person who was in the movie Shadi Mein Zarur Aana, okay, which became the first state to recognize community forest resources rights in an urban area, with the state government recognizing the rights of residents of Dhamtari district over 4127 hectares of forest. So my answer will be Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh steps forward to recognize community forest resource rights. Next one, Anupam Shyam, who passed away recently, was a famous dash. So you have recently seen it in the news, I hope, I guess. So what will be the answer? सो वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए और कमेंट कीजिए आपका आंसर. यस, आंसर विल बी वेटरन एक्टर अनुपम श्याम हैज़ पास्ड अवे. द एक्टर वाज बेस्ट नोन फॉर हिज वर्क ऑन द टीवी शो मन के आवाज़, प्रतिज्ञा, and appearances in films like Slumdog Millionaire and Bandit Queen. Right, we all know him, isn't it? Which state government signed MOU with Walmart Briddhi and Hak Darshak to help MSME products to move to international markets? So yes, my answer will be Haryana. Haryana government signs MOU with Walmart Briddhi, Hak Darshak to help MSMEs move international markets. So this is very important from the exam point of view. War hero Commodore Kasargod Patnasetti Gopal Rao passed away recently. He belongs to which of the following wars? So he belongs to which war? These are the famous wars. Yes, my answer will be 1971 war. War hero who bombarded Karachi port in 1971. No more, right? So a recipient of Mahavir Chakra, he played a key role in the war with Pakistan to liberate East Pakistan, that is now Bangladesh. Very very important from the exam point of view. Okay, do not ignore this question. Sorry, India will finally launch its most advanced satellite GSAT-1. So you just have to say what type of satellite is GSAT-1. ये भी पूछ सकता है एग्जाम में. Okay, very very important. What type of satellite is it? My answer will be, yes, my answer is geo-imaging satellite. Geo-imaging satellite. India set to launch advanced geo-imaging satellite GSAT-1 on August 12. Okay, very very important. वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए. ओके, अपने दोस्तों के साथ. द इंटरनेशनल आर्मी गेम्स 2021 इज द 7th edition, very very important, of the annual military war games organized annually by which country? So which country? Yes, it is none other than Russia. International Army Games, Indian Army to participate in International Army Games 2021 in Russia. ठीक है. So you can see here from August 22 to 4th September, 7th edition. This is also very important, right? More than 280 teams from 42 countries will be participating. Very important from the exam point of view. So with this we come to the end of today's session. वीडियो को like कीजिए if you have liked this session और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए सभी ग्रुप्स में, सभी व्हाट्सएप, फेसबुक, टेलीग्राम, जहाँ पे भी है सभी को शेयर कीजिए. और PDF आपको टेलीग्राम चैनल पे मिल जाएगा. कमेंट सेक्शन में टेलीग्राम चैनल का लिंक आपको मिल जाएगा फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, और डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी आपको टेलीग्राम चैनल का लिंक मिल जाएगा. ठीक है. और हमारा जो बंगाली चैनल है, ओके, बंगाल एजुकेशन सोसाइटी, उसका लिंक भी आपको कमेंट सेक्शन में और टेलीग्राम चैनल पे मिल जाएगा. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. और PDF में क्लास का लिंक, ये जो क्लास का लिंक है यहाँ पे आपको क्लास का लिंक मिलेगा. सो प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल एंड डू लाइक एंड शेयर. ठीक है. सो फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट सेशन में. टिल देन टेक केयर. एंड नेक्स्ट संडे शायद मैं क्लास ना लूँ बिकॉज आई विल नॉट बी एट होम, आई विल नॉट बी in my state. Okay, I will be traveling to some other place, so मैं बाहर रहूँगा. So class will not, taking a class will not be possible for me in that scenario, but I am hoping that Raja sir will take your class on current affairs. ठीक है. Okay, so चलिए फिर मिलते हैं. Stay home, stay safe, stay hydrated, and God bless you all.